Hello, good evening. Okay, thank you very much po kay Ellen. Pinatikim niya sa akin, binigyan lang itong ice cream bago. So now we are going to rate this ice cream. She said it's not so sweet daw. It is a coconut. You know, I remember this one during my younger age, yeah, kids days. Made with real fruit. Yeah. So we will take that from the Servilicious. Okay. From ano ba ito meat in? Okay. Okay. So now we will try to take. I remember this one during my kids days. It's like a boko ice drop. Yeah, during my kids days. Yeah, in Philippines. Okay. So now we are in Canada. Okay. Because maybe you thought we are in the Philippines. Okay. So we import back muna. Here, itong ice cream niya. Coconut. We will try. It is good. Okay. We will eat. Mm. Mm. It's good. Mm. It's good na. Sugar niya ay 6% lang, 6 gram. Okay. Yeah. Coconut sorbet. Okay. That's all. Thank you very much, Lord. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you, Ellen. Pinatigim ako ng coconut. In Philippines, Boko Ice Drop. Thank you. Bye. God bless. I love you.